Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to log in UniCredit Bank online. So guys, search for Google this term and click the first result and you see this icon guys, as you can see here. Click on enter in banking and look for anyone to do, for example small business or retail internet banking. For this one guys, click this result and write your as you can see here, you have this ID of account. If I traductions of English, as you can see here guys, write your ID from here, and if you want to do this, write this one and write your account. This is the same thing as on the app, banking app. Just download the app, for example for Android, and click install. After install, you see this option, also login option from here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Write your user ID from here, as you can see here, and click next. Thanks guys again for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Keep watching. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question.